Hi everybody, this is Kevin with Texas Yardman and More. Today I'm featuring a video on my Dodge 3.5 liter, it's a 2010 Dodge Charger SXT model V6 engine, and wanted to do a quick video. Anytime you work on this engine, you're gonna fight with it because it's hard to take off this air plenum assembly here. This is part of the exhaust system, and it has all the airflow inside these chambers in here, and the spark plugs are also underneath them, so you're gonna have to be able to take this off. And I just finished up, but I figured I'd do a video to help spare some of you the frustration and anger that you're gonna run into. It's an easy job if somebody shows you the tips, so that's what I'm doing here. I had to purchase a new one of these because my son used a crowbar on the other one and it cracked the housing. So you've got some hoses back here that you're gonna have to take off. I think there's an EGR tube on the back side of here, and I'm gonna show you a little tip with that. But in order to get this off, the easiest way, because this filler tube here is what fights with you. This is extending up above this housing, and if you release or unscrew all of these bolts that hold it on the top of the engine, there's looks like approximately 7 of these bolts, and you unscrew each of these, and in order to get this off, you got to unplug all the electrics here, disconnect those, and you've got some mounting clamps here on the side. You got to take these two off, and then you've got to take off this hose. There's an assembly right here that's electromechanical. Here's the connector. We got to release that. 2 tubes here, a tube here, and then another tube there. So there's a total of 4. And I ended up taking this whole bracket off that holds this. There's 2 10mm nuts here, one on the top and one on the bottom, and then down below what holds that bracket to the engine, there's 2 15mm bolts, and I just took those out as well. But the key to this, and the key to get it in there and out of there, is you got to take this bracket off. You don't have to take it all the way off, just loosen these 2 bolts on each side right here. Just loosen them. There's 2 over there, and then there's 2 right here, and then you got this plastic bezel that goes over the top of this. You'll have to remove this. They're just plastic nuts that go into 1 screw here, or 1 goes into here and 1 in here, and you got to take that off. Once you get that off, it exposes these 2 bolts. And then what that's going to do, you don't have to take them out. Well, I did take them out, but that's going to give you the ability to pull this bracket up an inch or 2, just enough to get this to pull out. So I wanted to save somebody the headache. There's a couple videos out there. The work is not hard, you can do it, but some people may get frustrated, and I just hope this video helps somebody. But anyhow, it's a 2010 Dodge Charger SXT 3.5 liter high output engine, and it's the V6, and that's all there is to it. Just loosen that bar up right there on the top. You'll see some other videos where they're popping these plastic grommets off. You don't have to do that. Just loosening that bar is the key. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Hope you got something out of this video. Take care. Appreciate my viewers. Talk to you later.